Jake with Design Homes here, working on our Magnolia and Soraya Farms. Last time we were out, we had our excavation happening. After that, we poured our footer using our pump truck. And now we're working on our foundation stage. This stage is our foundation stage. As you can see, the panels are sitting on top of the footer with gravel around the outside for drainage. That concrete will be poured into those panels using some rebar, providing that nice extra strength for the foundation. The whole house will sit on top of that. Yeah, so the foundation panels, they come in different sizes. As you can see behind me, we bring them in on a crane. The different panels are used throughout the build. The taller panels are used throughout the basement to provide that full height wall. The shorter panels will be used in the garage, porch areas, anywhere there's gonna be a slab on top of it, provide that extra strength. We'll pour down in between there with a grid or rebar, providing a nice, strong foundation for the home, and then those panels will come off to allow that nice concrete finish.